Finally, welcome back. We're going to do a pickup video. How amazing is that? On my other camera at the moment, I still haven't managed to drain all the oil out the other one once I dropped it in oil. But anyway, we've got a few hours. We managed to clear some schedule. I've been working, doing DIY stuff, and just really haven't been able to get down the unit. I do apologise. I think it's March, the last time I came down here to actually physically try and do some work. It is so dusty down here on a farm. Everything's covered in dust. Unbelievable. So not ideal spraying conditions, but at least we're not doing that today. But we have got some parts that arrived right at the beginning of lockdown. I think we should try and get them bolted up, get things covered up a bit, so we can sort of just get ready for prepping of the paint, because that's what we need to do over the next few months really, before the weather turns, is get this all in high build primer, get it all flattened down and get some top coat on it, because we've got London to Brighton in October now, if that still goes ahead. But let's aim for that and see how we do. So yeah, let's go find the bits that we got. I think we've got handbrake cables and bits and bobs. I think there's a couple of parts that I've got left in my reception at work which I can't get to because it's all locked down and no one's actually at work anymore. But I think they're only just the rubber boots that go on the back of the drums, the rear drums. So I think we should be good. But yeah, let's find a few things to bolt on and let's make a video. Hope everyone's safe. Okie dokie. Let's get back and put this hub back on, because this shouldn't have been just left laying, but that was me. What we were waiting on is some new springs which have turned up. And when I said about not having the rubbers for the back, I've got them here, so I can't remember now what's actually at reception. I swear there's something at reception being kept. And we've got a handbrake cable which hopefully should be longer than the other one, which we'll find out in a bit. Can't reach it. Nah, it's all the way up there. So yeah, let's get these springs back in, clean all this up, and get the hub back on, and get the drum back on, just so everything's protected for now. Yeah. That was a bit more of a carry on than I thought it was going to be. Normally they go on quite easy, but I think it's because I couldn't be bothered to go get a flat screwdriver. But anyway, hub back on, hub nut to tighten up, check your torque settings and whatever depending on your bearings on those, so don't follow me, Google somebody else how to do it properly. And yeah, we whip that on. Other things that turned up as well. Not quite sure, I think a steering column bolts that I ordered. I ordered two. And then I've got the little pins as well that go in the handbrake, and I've got the long threaded screws to hold the drum on. So let's find a spanner and torque that up. Nut torqued up to the correct settings. Whatever you need to do in your books, check them. I didn't use mold grips, honestly. And then yeah, let's just pop this on for now. A bit of copper grease on things. You can never go wrong, can you? A bit of copper grease. I think that's all we needed to do on there. Always whip it off anyway, can't we? It's only one screw. So we get this on. Run without these before, it's not the end of the world either, but hey. While I was on eBay a while ago, let's do things proper. Proper job. So all we need left to do on this side is the copper brake pipe to the slave cylinder. That's just a bit of the back plate rubbing. We'll try and get a screwdriver in there. That'd be lovely. So yeah, rubber boot. Got one of those rubber boots. Got the pin there. And pin to go there, little split pin through that. Job's a good one. Cool. next item we got, painted the original bracket up, goes on there. I think you do, supposed to have a little gasket underneath it or something, but it's not worry about that at the moment. Pretty good, a little bit pitted, but a load of smooth white on it. And I feel like I'm going to stick with that one because I bought it on as well. Oh, I don't know. That one catches water, this one doesn't, so I suppose. Can't tell. That's going to be just as strong, isn't it? This one, I guess, yeah, it will let out water. I guess that's why it was designed. No need to have any strength around here, it's only the... Only the brake. And then, look at this for new stuff, eh? Gotta make sure your clevis is lined up, otherwise it hits the pedal. Come on, get in there, you Becca. Hang on a second. Don't go through the hole. This is designed for the later ones. The ones with the big servos at the front here, aren't they? That's what I've done. Wasn't even going through the hole. So, we are back to this one. There we go. Yeah, it goes on that way, doesn't it? Yeah, it goes on that way. So yeah, there's the difference between the old ones. You could have cut this one out, I guess. But yeah, you can just see where the rubber was going on. So anyway, live and learn. Another little tidbit there, rightly or wrongly. Need to get myself another brake union. I think I'll check my old one. Might be clean enough to clean up the different size ones, depending on which master cylinder you got. I think it's yellow tag, and I don't know what the other tag is. White tag, black tag, blue tag, green tag, God knows. They have slightly different size fittings. But anyway, that's looking all right. Oh, just noticed as well that where the compensator slash bias slash whatever you like to call it, safety valve goes, the thread's buggered. Well, someone's not buggered it, but someone's snapped a bolt off. So, yeah, that's something else we've got to deal with. Okay, another little bit to bolt on. I just realised our rear brake's on the other side of in bits, but we need to get round to that. We'll go round the car. Did the other mount a while ago. Do you remember I lost it? I found it. I can't remember where I found it now. But we found it. So yeah, copper grease on that. 4 bolts. 7/16 spanner. Job's a good one. You can watch me through the air vent. Okay, got the shock on as well, just pop that on just out of the way. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Couple of effort to try and get the old screws started, but once you got them in, all good. Stainless steel, lovely jubbly, into the new blocks that my dad made and machined up for the mounts, so that's good. So yeah, let's move round to the back side and finish off the other wheel drum and brakes. I can't remember why we had that apart now. Maybe the springs were wrong on that side as well. I can't really remember. Anyway, Hunter's chicken for tea tonight. I've had loads of dinners, obviously, over the last few months. But yeah, Hunter's chicken tonight. And I picked up these weird little potato things from Lidl, vacuum packed. Supposedly you chuck them in a frying pan and they got a little bit of bacon and onion seasoning. But we shall see. Right, clutch shot. We need to move this pickup over. We're slightly less space this side. So, anyway, we're in. Can't reach the camera though, so that's a problem. So where were we? Obviously this was all off as well. So I guess, I can't even remember, I should watch my old video, shouldn't I? Why do we take this all side apart? Was it the springs again? Was it the one that was upside down? Do you remember I had to swap one side around, it was wrong side. That's the other side. So, yeah, it's got sprung washers on that side. Yeah, well, I noticed the other side, we swapped the bolts around, so the nuts are on the back. We did that as well. Suppose it. We should do the other side, or did we swap this side round? I'll definitely put nylox on that side, or at least put sprung washers on, because there weren't even sprung washers. So, yeah. Let's take a moment and figure out what the hell we're doing. As I don't do these brakes very often, sometimes you get them bang on and boom, boom, boom. Springs go on and sometimes it don't. It's a bit easier. I don't know. It's a bit easier with the hub off and a bit easier with it on actually, because you can use it for leverage. But anyway, we've got some copper grease on that already. Small clevis pin to go back into the handbrake cable at the back. Put a little bit of copper grease on that as well. Why not? Copper grease everything. Remind me to put some split pins on those, otherwise the MOT guy will tell me. Good old Pete, mate. Yeah, that'll do for the moment. Yeah, come on. I'll do that under the car. A bit of a clean. Bit of a concourse, bit of detail in there. It's good to be back. We need to really crack on with this now. We've got so much to do. I don't know. As I said, don't know if London to Brighton's going to be on, but we might as well aim for something. And, if we don't get it painted, this summer, we're gonna have to leave it, you know, or pay a professional. You know we don't do that, do we, around here? Copper grease. I think it was in there. Was it in there? Any holes a goal. There's my Phillips. Hazel. Where'd it go? Oh, yeah. There's my Phillips screwdriver. I picked it up. I swear I did. It came over this side. Sure. 100%. Anyway, we'll tighten that up. We'll see if we can whip the handbrake cable off before we call it a day. Ooh. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see? Can you see? Let me check the camera. Oh, I think so. Anyway, handbrake cable that's come off it. New, supposedly, for the estate. These should be different lengths. Yeah, they feel quite different lengths already. There we go. You see? Extra 4 inches or so longer. That should allow the handbrake cable to fit now. So yeah. Let's get under the car and poke it through the floor. Okay, handbrake in. Okay, needs a bit more adjusting yet. See, wheels spin. Handbrake up. Wheels don't spin. Yeah, a bit more adjusting. I haven't got a span on me, it's around the other side. But yeah, that's good. So yeah, whew. Thanks for sticking by me. So it's been a while, March since the proper video. I think I released a spare one that I had, but it has been late March, I think mid-March, since we've actually done any work on this. In that time, my dad's nearly finished the Mark 1, the 67 up there. So I'll try and get some more update videos on there. He keeps putting parts together and stuff, and so he's cracking on with that, but yeah, he's not a video man. But anyway, thanks for all the support. Thanks for my patrons again for sticking with me through these times. Hope everyone's trying to stay as safe as they can. And yeah, we've got a lot planned still for this year if things work out. I've been working flat out at work, so I've got a lot of holiday build up, which, wife's next door, might want a holiday. But anyway, yeah, till next time.